All right, got another special one today. So what you're looking at right now is the ceiling of I guess these are wood paneled ceilings. And a couple days ago, just down here as you're walking through here, you'll notice like droppings from termites. It looks like coffee grounds, but it feels very rigid. So what happens is there are probably termites living inside the wood in here. And you see the seams. It's kind of where the droppings are coming out of. So what we're going to do today is just show you how we're going to go about applying insecticide without destroying the house. Okay, to get a little perspective of what we're doing, looking at here, these panels are laid, from the left to right, well, as we're facing it. And I know the joist underneath actually run in the perpendicular direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here. We're going to use a product, a foamy product, to maximize flooding as much of the cavity inside. So we're using an Amdro brand today, but it doesn't matter. It could be anything. This is fipronil, which is stuff. It's very effective stuff you put on your pets to keep fleas from crawling on them. So, all right, let's get a better shot. So what we're gonna do is we know that the joists are running this way, right? We want to get as much insecticide in there as possible, at the same time minimizing the holes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in the seams and drill at an angle. I'm using an 1/8 of an inch bit. And so, yeah, that's what we're doing. Here we go. So there's 2 holes that way. Now we're going to put 2 holes at 45 degrees this way. So we can kind of, if you can imagine, we're going to stick a hose in there and spray foam and get as much surface area covered as we can. Right. Now we take our insecticide. So there, I don't know if I got it, but so if you see, it's a pretty non-invasive way of putting insecticide into that cavity in between the joist and the roof deck. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and I may do the same, maybe a couple panels over, so that way we can get a pretty good coverage of a poisoned cavity on the inside. And when we're done now, what we're gonna do, we could just take some caulk or some paint or, plaster, drywall compound, and just kind of patch those tiny 1/8 of an inch holes to where you can't even see them. All right. I hope this helps you. I hope you don't have termites. All right. Good luck.